So let's talk about coffee substitutes. Some people don't want to consume all this caffeine because it triggers the adrenal, and it definitely can affect your sleep and your weight loss and a lot of other things. So when you consume decaf, you have to realize that 97% of it's decaffeinated. There's that 3% caffeine, so it's not 100%. And it does go stale twice as fast as regular coffee. So when you buy it off the shelf, make sure you read the label to make sure it's not too old. And the last thing is you want to consume water processed or Swiss water processed. You do not want to consume the regular method because there's certain chemicals in there and it's just not good. I would also get an organic decaf versus just a commercial decaf. So then let's talk about Teccino. Teccino is amazing because there's no caffeine. It tastes very similar to coffee. It's made from chicory root, carob, barley, nuts, and cocoa. So it only has 4 grams of carbohydrate per serving and only 1 gram of sugar, so it's totally fine. And you'd be surprised how close it is to coffee. Then we have Roma, which is a roasted barley and chicory and has rye in there. Very similar to Teccino, slightly different, no caffeine, 2 grams of carbohydrate, 1 gram of sugar, so that's another great substitute. So either one of these 3 are totally fine if you wanted to avoid caffeine. Thanks for watching. Hey, you probably already subscribed, but if you haven't, press this little button down below and I will keep you updated.